Welcome back. So people no come here, quick and fast. Something I want to talk about from the other day, just recapping. I recap on one of the videos, I did days ago. About Lorien in Jamaica. So we did say Lorien posted she in Jamaica, but we couldn't see no real evidence to support it. We couldn't see no real evidence to support it because me never see no falls, me never see the Devon house and all them something there. So but she post something with the falls. No, but I don't know. We don't know when that up took place because it wasn't a live video. So it could have been, we don't know when. So, people them must say why Lorien go to Jamaica go hide, because she say when she go down to Jamaica, she go turn on her camera because she big and bad and nobody can stop her from going yard. Nobody can stop nobody from going yard for true. But these people go on like them bad. Telephone badness. Somebody said telephone badness. Because she always says she not hide when she go down there. But she hide. But she surely did hide because nobody never know where she was staying. And she never turned her camera at the airport so she was going out when she was coming and before. When me see her put on camera in the airport before. So that's basically people were saying just telephone badness with certain people. Only say people then can bully and go on with the cyber bullies. But they said the whole girl a liar, they don't think she there yard. But me not even know. Me feel say maybe she did go down there, but she do the videos them and just drop them now. And she did go and pose like she was doing a yard in that way. She show one Misty see her live. I don't know if she's doing any other live, but one live Misty where she was on a balcony and she showed the surrounding. But me don't know a few things she showed, but me don't know if it didn't really look like yard. Me not sure about that one. Can't put my finger on it anyway. But anyway. So that's basically what I say. I don't know what go on, but if you just come back from Sunday, she said she was away a few weeks and she took time out and she did whatever. Monday she never start back her charity program, and then she posted she done a yard, and then yesterday me see where she was doing devotion, and then in the night. This morning when me see when me pass and me look over the fence, me see she do one long live. I me know session and she was talking about the doctor. Doctor don't so. She never said she wanted to see the doctor. She was talking about the doctor. The doctor now. So them in the argument. Me never listen to them. Me just see the caption and me peep. So this is it really. You couldn't just come back from holiday. And especially when you go down a yard and you come back, you're so excited. You have your family, them and everybody you there on the phone and talk. One who you see and what you do. You'll be so excited. You wouldn't have time to come and talk. I talk about charity and then nonsense there. No, sir. So that's something that it to myself. These people need a life. I don't think if they go down with anything and then they don't just come back. And that me I go say. So moving on now. The cartoon and the producer war continues. One bangarang still a go on. So the only thing I was disappointed in cartoon was she fling out the woman and the producer address. she fling out the woman address and her business out the door. Yeah. So everybody can see. And I thought that's below the belt, to be fair. Yeah. So, it's so sad, really, that this person might have trusted with their information. And she threw out all the information out there for everybody to see. Yeah. And, these people that you call friends, let me say that they must find out, say they must some family. I don't know. Or, you let people call themselves friends, and the same people them will set you up. Yeah, set you up. Although say the producer woman was saying, say cartoon upset because she sent the $250 go give such person, and she's upset about it. But me this actually was watching the comment section when the lady was talking. Said she did, of course, the such man, I was saying, she said money go give him and all this, and she was in the comment section. She said something like, why you never send it to me? I said, but it did sound like a joke to me, to be honest, the way she did put it in the comment, it come across, So then the producer woman, I said that she bad mind, so she send the money go give her, so she hungry belly and all that. So I realize that she send her money, so it's this producer now. She has send money go give people, and she have so much money for her send go give Tom, Dick and Harry. Yeah, so Tom, Dick and Harry, everybody I get money, or what a way she rich. Yeah. So it's just a disgrace, really, their behavior on social media at the moment. It is a disgrace. That's all I'm going to say. Yeah. It is a disgrace for big people. Them behave like this on social media. They need to stop it now. And to be disclosing people personal information on the social media streets is not. It's not acceptable. Yeah, that's all I'm gonna say. It's not acceptable to be dashing out people information out there like that. Yeah, so that's all. May I go say that these people are not going on like the big grown individuals. They're going on like little kids in the playground. Yeah.